Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. On this your guys, Mama Saglit Channel, afraid the also matarders sa ngayong hapon na to. Tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawa mag-support sa aking channel, lalo na ang dirigi-skip ng adsaway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang-balik sa iyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give information po na kayong sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. For the sign of Cancer, there's a King of Wands, natural born leader. So, kaya mong pamunuan. No? So, ibig sabihin dito with the King of Wands, unti-unti mo rin makikita yung magiging possibilities. No? Kayang-kaya mong makita yung magiging posibilidad. No? Malakas ang iyong vibrations. And of course, there's a Five of Pentacles. In reverse, something recovery for financial crisis or financial loss. No? May babalik na ang tiwala at mababalik na ang pag-asa. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage just because of your action. No, nagkakaroon ng complication and disagreement dahil din sa mga desisyon. Additional messages. Reference with the Ten of Swords. Now, some of you guys na mayroon talaga sumasabotahe dito, mag-ingat ka lang. No? And of course, there's something Four of Wands by homecoming family gathering. No, some of you guys talagang may uuwi, no, galing international, there's a travel. And of course, there's something twin flame energy, soulmate connections. And there's a wedding coming in. Talaga may celebration at may kasalan. There's something gathering with the family. And there's justice, no? Hustisya. Maaaring pumabor sa'yo. At may mga bagay na maaaring meron ditong sisingiling karma. Oh. What is the King of Wands? The King of Wands represent what? Represent with the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, this is something a big shot and big money coming in. May malaking perang darating, may opportunities na maaaring dumapo sa'yo. There's a promotions, new job, new work, and there's something a new business ventures. What is the Five of Pentacles in reverse? Represent with the Emperor, mag-mature ka na ngayon, no, sa pag-manage at pag-control ng finances. No, wag mo nang sayangin yung opportunities. Iwasan mo na yung luho, yung bisyo, yung mga walang katuturan pag-order ng kung ano-ano, pagbili ng kung ano-anong bagay na alam mong hindi naman nagbibigay ng benefits sa'yo. And there's a Five of Wands. In reverse, something no more complications na matatapos na yung komplikasyon basta maging aware ka sa mga decision mo. No? What is the Ten of Swords? Represent with the Six of Wands. For victory is yours. No, may mga bagay talaga na magtatagumpay ka. No? Makukuha mo na at makakamit mo na ang gustisya. Ay, pasabog. No, maaaring magtatagumpay ka sa mga trumaydor, nagloko sa'yo. And of course, there's a Three of Swords in reverse, something releasing pain. Na move on ka na, no, makakaraos ka, makakabangon ka na. And of course, some of you guys na meron ditong apology, mag-ingat ka. Na meron ditong susubukan guluhin ulit ang inyong relasyon or pagsasama. There's something, the Seven of Cups. No, maraming opportunities na darating. No, there's a many options, many choices. No, and there's a lot of opportunities coming in for you at nasa sayo ang huling halakhak, no? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups with an offer. May offer talaga na magdadala sa'yo ng kumbaga, big improvement and growth and expansion. No, this is something a big picture, picture, ganon. No, makikita mo na yung sarili mo, ang layo-layo mo na sa dating ikaw. And there's an Eight of Cups, something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na. No, makakabangon at makakaraos ka na. No, makakawala ka na from this scenario. There's a High Priestess, no? Kumbaga, makikinig ka na sa intuition and gut feeling mo. na mas lalo mo na pinakikinggan ang iyong mga gabay, lalo-lalo sa pagdidesisyon. Now, of course, there's the moon card with the truth reveal. Ilalantad lahat ng bagay o kasinungalingan na babalot dito. Magtatagumpay ka kasi makikilala mo na kung sino talaga ang tumatraidor sa'yo. Ay, tasabog yan. And of course, there's a two of swords. No? Kailangan mo lang magdesisyon. No? You need the final decision dito. No? Kailangan mo na palayain, no? Ang iyong lungkot, trauma. Kailangan mo na pakawalan yan. Dapat, sinasabi dito na kailangan makarecover ka na sa mga nangyari or maaaring nakarecover ka na nga. There's a four of swords, something rest, ipahinga mo yung utak mo. No, kailangan pag-isip ka ng tamang desisyon at kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo, no, yung magiging impact or yung magiging benefit nitong opportunities na to. Kailangan wag kang malilito, wag kang madedistract, no? From the outcome, guys, this is something the Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. Ngayon, lilinisin mo na yung mga nasa paligid mo. No, hindi ka na basta-basta magtitiwala. There's a Six of Pentacles na magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances. No, there's a something support with an angel spirit na magtutuloy-tuloy na. And there's an Eight of Pentacles na ngayon, tututukan mo na yung ginagawa mo. You are dedicated and focus, concentrations na ginagawa mo under Hierophant. This is something the Hierophant for lesson learned. Matututo ka na. Or natuto ka na sa naging leksyon sa'yo. Hindi ka na basta-basta magpapauto or magpapaniwala sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No? Lalo-lalo na yung trumaydor sa'yo. Never be a friend or never be trust again. And there's an 8 of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. Na magkakaroon ng changes and development and of course, an actions, a phone call, a messages, trouble. No? Maaari magdala sa'yo ng celebration. And there's a Queen of Wands, by confident. Ngayon, lalakasan mo ng loob mo, maging matapang ka na dahil din sa mga nangyari sa isa nakaraan, no? Ang ganda ng reading mo, parang nasasense ko dito, ang layo-layo na sa dating ikaw. So, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Okay, for finances and career, so, represent with the Page of Cups. Now, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. So, pagdating sa finance, makikinig ka sa iyong vibrations, sa intuitions mo. And there's a chariot with an action with movement. Magkakaroon ng changes sa development na sa situations mo. Na lalo na pagdating sa finances mo, there's a time of happiness. Magiging masaya na ang pagbabago. No, at there's a big happy changes. See, there's something, a major changes coming in. And there's a Hermit card, the answer you need is here. So, masasagot talaga lahat ng katanungan mo, especially tungkol sa finances, no? Maraming marireveal, maraming matutuklasan, malalaman, at magdadala sa iyo ng kaligayahan at kaayusan. No? And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles. Basta sinasabi sa iyo dito, makinig ka sa intuitions mo. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles for invest wisely. No? Being grounded. Huwag ka magpapabudol na. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, sa buhay pag-ibig, there's an Ace of Wands for a new project, and new plan, new ideas, new inspiration. And of course, there's a Seven of Swords in reverse, na parang makikilala mo na kung sino yung impostor, lahat ng sikreto, no, wala na makakapagsinungaling sa'yo. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands in reverse, no, matatapos na lahat ng mga bigat at problema, obligasyon pagdating sa relasyon. Makakalaya ka na from this toxic relationship. And there's a Page of Wands with a good news. Magiging maganda na at magiging maayos ng kalagayan mo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig at proteksyonan mo at papangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo. Isa sa nagbibigay problema pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, yung insecurities. Ayaw kasi ng person mo nalalamangan siya. And of course, itong tao na ito yung makakasama mo for long term. Meron taong makikilala ka at makakasama mo hanggang sa habang buhay. Ganon, for lifetime. No? Long-term relationship, long-term partner. So, pagdating sa kalusugan mo, there's a Three of Pentacles collaborations, no? Kailangan mong mag-share ng information, lalo-lalo na sa mga nararamdaman mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No? There's a Six of Swords, transition, na kailangan nyo rin makawala at makalaya dyan sa hindi magandang environment, no? Paligid. At there's a Nine of Cups sa wish fulfillment. Matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind dito. And there's a Three of Wands now, waiting for ship, no? May hinihintay kang resulta, document, papers, or something, may mawawala na yung worries mo, makukuha mo na. And there's a Judgment, may paalala lang sa'yo dito, you need to pay attention. Mag-ingat ka lang dito, and of course, magtiwala ka sa ating pong may kapal, and of course, wag ka na magtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? There's something in new beginning coming in. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. So, let's see what is, a magical fairy messages, advices, and of course, pick a card, yes or no. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, guys, no? Ang pick a card, yes or no, pwede kang magtanong. Isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. No? Kapag nakapili ka na, comment down below kung ano number na pili mo, malalaman mo ang sagot sa dulo ng reading na to. Comment down below kung ano number na pili mo. So, let's see and watch this. With a magical fairy messages, represent what? With a magical fairy messages. And there's a flower power, healing, no? There's a something healing powers, no? Siguro magagaling sa ito. Parang ikaw mismo ang magdadala sa'yo ng kagalingan, no? At kalmadong pakiramdam, no? Magsusurrender ka na at matututo ka ng magpatawad. And this is something the sun, no? May anak ka lalaki dito, maaaring tutulong sa'yo, no? And of course, siya nagbibigay ng purpose mo sa buhay na to, sa mundong to. No, there's something, everything is okay, so don't worry. No, lahat ng bagay na to ay may magiging magandang ibubunga o idudulot. And do some research na kailangan aralin mo, tuklasin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong pa sa'yo. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mo pang matutunan. What is the yin and yang oracle card? For yin and yang oracle card, represent with a separation. So, sa mo po yung meron talaga naghiwalay dito. No? And of course, there's something assistant guidance, no? Spirit guides, may gumagabay din sa'yo dito ang mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. Or either, meron kang gabay na gumagabay sa'yo. And there's an ego. No? Alisin mo yung pride, ego, luho, bisyo. No? And there's something, decision that you need to make. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pagdesisyonan. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent what? And there's a finder of the lost things. So, may mga bagay na hinahanap ka dito, mga nawala. No? Siguro sinasabi dito na kailangan mong ma-appreciate yung mga bagay na hawak-hawak mo pa. No? And of course, there's an Empress card for revert. No? Retreat, disconnect from the world. Kailangan mo nang alagaan at mahalin yung sarili mo dito. And of course, there's a wildness. So, kailangan mo maging palaban, mabagsik. No? Kasi inaabuso ka dito dahil sa pagiging mabait mo. For romance angel with a mystic love oracle deck. With a love, strong affection. So, meron talaga dito na maaaring makilala mo na magdadala sa'yo talaga ng matibay na relasyon. Not pagmamahal talaga. And there's a mask, nothing showing true self. Meron ditong hindi totoo pinapakita niya. Mag-ingat ka po. And there's a text message. Meron ditong kumaga binuburay message or something na paano natatakot, nangangamba. No? Sa pag-amin siguro na nararamdaman niya. What is an angel's number? Represent what? There is a 10, 11 with a taking action. So, kailangan mo talaga kumilos. This is a call to action to move forward. The sooner you get going, the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. Those with patience will eventually reap the rewards for their perseverance. So, kumbaga, kung may pagtsatsaga ka, makakamtan mo ang iyong mga pinaghirapan, no? May mga pag-asang magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw, na kung gusto mo mabago ang sitwasyon mo, mabago ang kalagayan mo, kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw at magdesisyon. So, let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. A new beginning. Double clarification talaga, ha? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula dito. No? You will start a new job, life, clean sweep over. Hit the reset button. What lies beneath with a hidden future? Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap mo? Represent with the police. Some of you meron ditong police, no? Maaaring police yung person mo or police ka. And of course, there's something doing drugs. Oh my God, mag-ingat ka. Maaaring addict pa yung person mo, ha? Maaaring meron ditong, kumbaga, addict. Meron ditong, kumbaga, may addictions, no? And there's a clarifying for a love situation. What is a clarifying for a love situation? And of course, there's a faith crossroad. In a wave of change choices, find a path to lasting legacies. no? Talagang yung pagtitiwala, no, sa lahat ng bagay na nangyari na to. Kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na to ay maaaring kailangan hanapin mo yung sarili mo, no, kung saan ka tatagal, kung sino talaga yung makakasama mong for long, no? Kailangan nito na yung panahon, pagkakataon para piliin mo yung taong makakasama mo hanggang dulo. Diba? So, let's see what is your shadow work represent what? And of course, this is something a battle within. Inner conflict resolutions. The greater war you wage is against yourself. No, wala kang ibang kalaban dito kundi ang sarili mo. Diba? So, let's see what is a clarifying for life situation. What is a clarifying for life situation? There is something transform and rise. Your journey of transformation unlock vast potential guiding your evolution to new heights, no? Lalong tumataas ang mga pangarap mo, lalo ka mamamayagpag at magbabago ang sitwasyon mo dahil sa katangian and of course sa kaalaman, kakayanan na meron ka at lahat ng bagay na pinagdaanan mo, no, talagang binabago ka ng mga pangyayari na to at babaguhin ang buong pagkatao mo. No? Let's see what is a part of the light represent what? What is a part of the light? Represent with manifestation of the light. I recognize my own beauty and cultivate my inner self in aligning with light and beauty, free from negativity and wisdom shines brightly. As I grow, I radiate light that illuminates the world around me. Diba? Kumaga, minamanifest mo na magbibigay liwanag na ang mga pangyayari sa buhay mo, magiging maayos na, magiging maliwanag na ang bawat eksena datahakin mo. Alam mo na may magandang ibubunga at may magandang kapalaran na nakatakda para sa'yo. Hindi ka nawawalan pag-asa at mapagtatagumpayan mo to at makukuha mo talaga. So guys, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no. So let's watch this. Okay, with a pick a card, yes or no. Okay. So let's start with the number 1. Kasi hindi nakapili na number 1 ito na yan. Number 1, represent with a yes. Connect to the new possibilities, transition smoothly. No? Kumbaga, ito ay kumukonekta sa mga bagong posibilidad at magiging malaking pagbabago nito at magiging maayos to na magiging kalagayan mo, magdudugtong to sa mas maayos na kalagayan posisyon. Number 2, there is a no. Thorns present, handle with care. No? Talagang punong-puno to ng pagsubok, kailangan pag-ingatan mo, huwag kang padalos-dalos at maging maingat ka sa bawat kilos at galaw. Number 3, there is a yes. Taking flight, uplifting a peace with decision, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na pangatawanan mo at panindigan mo, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan sa iyong magiging desisyon at kailangan kumbaga sundin mo ko naman yung mga bagay na sinasabi ng puso at isip mo. Na manindigan ka. So guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Cancer. Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagop. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!